Hey, what's up, everybody? This is PO. Everybody calls me PO, so you guys can do that in the chat or whatever you want to do. You may be calling me worse names than that before it's all said and done. But um, anyway, we're going to run this random here. I'm going to go over here in the chat and just type in live. Here's our chat right over here. So we'll do a live there. You guys can see that it is 6:22 and it's 6:23 there. 6:22. My clock's always a few seconds behind the Facebook clock for some reason, about 20 seconds actually. So here's the giveaway page. There's everybody's name in the list from James Bean, Lee Bowles, McKay Coombs, Josh Duntz, Tyler Hanley, Ronnie Hinkline maybe, Eline Luongo, I'm sure I butchered that, Ryan May, myself, Connor Peck, Rafael Rosario, Philip Scott, our fearless leader Lane Woods, and Thomas Woods. There probably actually really is no Thomas Woods. Lane just wanted to put two teams in. We will copy and paste right over here. You guys can see there's all the names. Lane ran it earlier, so we're going to go 4 total rounds. Here we go, guys. Somebody owes me $1. 1, 2, 3. Now, I will tell you guys, don't worry about this. I'm going to be dead last. I've done 6 of these in the last 2 years, and I've been last in 5 of the 6. Just letting you know. 4th and final round, 1 round left. Here we go. Connor Peck, Ryan May, James Bean, Lane Woods, Tyler Hanley, and McKay Coombs. Wow, I'm actually dead in the middle. If anybody would like to trade, I'd be more than happy to do that. Lee Bowles, Ronnie Hinkland, Thomas Woods, Philip Scott, Eline Luongo. If that's supposed to be Lane, I apologize if it's a line. Good. Rafael Rosario and Josh Duntz. There you guys go. Completely completed. I will put a verification code up. There it is, as well as the video. You guys will get to see both. Go back over here and type in done. We are done at 6:25, and you can see again, I'm at 6:24, 9 seconds away. There you go, guys. We're all set. Good luck this year, everybody.